Hey guys, it's all the elevators here bringing you a new video. I remember this used to be US Soft Touch. Probably will release that in a future video. But these used to be US Soft Touch. I guess remember that. This was replaced by Innovation Bruiser. Sadly, this is now modernized. It was working just fine though. I only have one working. You can tell that's Innovation Bruiser. Machine room at Hampton Inn. Summerlin location. This one, communication failure warrant. Ooh, look, this thing has been completely modernized. 3. Remember, this used to be your soft touch.
That hasn't changed.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Cap is still the same though. This elevator's been completely upgraded. Look at that sensor, I like it. Watch this. Hey, think, oh. Oh.
Yep, there's nobody there.
Oh. There's rambling. There's.
That was weird, huh? Oh, smooth going down.
Yeah.
I didn't even feel it start moving. Oh, and now they have camera.
We have a camera in here. Look at that sensor. I like that. I don't know who upgraded this. I remember this used to be US Soft Touch.
Didn't you tell Mary Grace about this one? Maybe she did it.
Yeah. Maybe this could be TK elevator. No. Look at that. That's been completely upgraded. So basically, if I see that reopens the door. Kind of modern technology. These used to be US Soft Touch. Now, key switches, there's the camera, Innovation. Okay, that's a little random. It goes the no switch. There's the sensor lights. Anyways, there it goes. That's it. Bye.